Hello guys, the video you're about to watch is my project demo project on Ordinal marketplace. It's a marketplace, Ordinal marketplace, but I call it digitalMktOrdinal. This is the contract. It will also show you how ordinal interact with sCrypt. Already the contract is written. This is the contract. That's what you're seeing now. This contract has the ability to enforce listing, to enforce locking of the items listed in the NFT list, which I will show you later. It will also enforce the unlocking as soon as the required fund is paid by the buyer. It also has the power to enforce cancellation of the item listed in the marketplace. So I'm going to show you all those things, but this is the contract. The item now, the items you are going to see are real estate. As I wrote on the comment above, the goods is the estates. The substance is NFT token and to be transferred to the buyer after payment is confirmed. This is where the payment is made. We have two public methods in the contract. One is purchase. This is where the payment is made to the seller's address. That's what this purchase method controls. Here is where cancellation is made, assuming that the buyer is no more interested in selling. So this method cancels the listed item from the marketplace. I'm going to show you in the front end. Now displays build transaction for purchase. This function controls the transfer of the NFT to the buyer, which is the receiver, when payment is confirmed. And this is the receiver's address, that is destination address, the address provided by the receiver. This is destination address. So this is what this function here does. Now we are already in the React, because I chose React as the front end to use. There are other front end platforms, but I chose React. So this contract is built on React. Now we are already in React platform. This is source directory. Under the source directory, you have, when you open the source directory, you have contracts. So this is where I place my file, this contract that I have written, that I'm talking about. Now this is where the contract is. Then apart from this, there are other dependencies. These are other React components. Now there is app.tsx. This is where the major codes are written that runs the front end. let me explain. This is the application. When you open front end, this is the application. In the application, this is the app, function app. This is the app that contains the codes. So in the application, there are many functions. Load market items. It controls the loading of the items in the marketplace. Store market items, just like its name. It controls the storage of the items in the marketplace. Function remove market item, just like its name. Load wallet item. It controls the loading of the items in the market, in the items in the wallet, and the interaction with the front end. Now connect, handle connect. It controls the network. The network I use is sCrypt network, and also in the let me talk about this first. It's a sCrypt network. Let's go to, I didn't use new ordinal provider as commented, and the network of my, let me keep it there. Let me go to index.tsx. This is, I load the contract to the artifact, load artifacts. I did it here. I imported the contract into this domain, this index.tsx. So the contract, the network I use here is sCrypt network. This is my API key. Well, this one is better for me. It doesn't have network challenges when running the front end. That's why I choose to use it. Now, also another file that I opened is itemViewMarket.tsx. This is where all the items in the front end in the marketplace. Let's go to the marketplace so that you will understand what I am talking about. First of all, let us start the development server. npm start. So I want the development server to start so that we can open the front end. It will be clearer. So this, while we wait for the starting of the development server, let me continue my explanation. This item view market.ts controls the item in the list, item in the NFT list, which I will show you. The size of the NFT, this is the size of the NFT, and the other, let the written word, and and the configurations are all written here. These are the codes. This one controls the items in the marketplace, which I will also show you as soon as this development server open. So it controls it, the size of the item and the configuration, like I said before. This is where it is done. Now let's go to app.css. Like I said, this is the place the major code is written. Now handle list, things about the list, then handle list. Here is handle by, to handle repayment of the item. Also in the front end. Handle cancel. This one's handle cancel in the front end. Now let's go to the development server. I'm using Google. Now you cannot do without your Panda wallet. The wallet I'm using is Panda wallet, and the network in the wallet is testnet. I forgot to tell you. Let me sign in into Panda wallet first. It will help. I'm signing in. Okay. While that one is going on, let me reboot. I don't know why this is taking time to open. Okay, it's coming up. It's coming up. Just little questions. It's coming up. So as I was telling you, okay, it has come up. So we are in the front end now. It's still booting. So let me continue with my explanation. Still in app.tss. So many of the codes are written here. This area controls the front end. See my NFT. These are where NFTs in the Panda wallet, inscribed in the Panda wallet, are shown. These are the items. These are the items to be sold. Then this is digital market. This is where the layout, where the purchase is made. I'm going to show you. I believe this is open by now. Okay, now connect to Panda wallet. You see, I've signed into my Panda wallet already. So let's connect. This is that NFT, my NFT list I was telling you about. These are the items listed for sale. Listed is not for sale yet. Before it will be they are for sale, but it has not been taken to the place, that the location that it will be sold. That location in digital market, that's the name of the location, is this place. This is where you will buy. You see, this one now is ready for sale. It's buy. It's set. But this one's now is not set for sale because the buy is not yet there. If you want the buy to be here now, you have to sign out. The seller had to sign out from the wallet. As soon as he sign out from the wallet, this cancel now will become buy. All of them will become buy. Why this one is here is because I have already sent this one ahead and logged out before I transferred these ones. These ones are now fresh. These ones are fresh. I have already done this one before I transfer this one. And so if I sign out now, this one's will turn to buy. If I sign out from the wallet, they return to. But if I sign out from the wallet here, if I sign out here now, all these ones will disappear. These ones now that have not yet been transferred will disappear. They will not be there again. Then these ones will turn to buy. I can also decide to transfer these ones to this place. Let us use one for instance. Let's transfer this one. Understand? This is what the contract does. The power to unlock, to lock and unlock and to cancel. This items is what the contract does. Now let's give it a price. Let's say 0.04 BSV. So I want to take it to the place it will be purchased. So let us wait for the year. We have to approve it. The wallet have to approve it first. I'm signing in. I believe I got it. I got it. Okay. Now let's check it. You see it has come. Look at it now. It has come. Understand now? It has come. So if I want all these ones, and I just uploaded them now, and I have not signed out from my Panda wallet. Assuming that I have finished uploading all my items, listed items. I thought I have finished uploading them into this place. I will just sign out, then I'll wait for money to be transferred into my account automatically. As soon as money comes into my account, as soon as the buyer pays, as soon as the buyer pays, the money, the NFT will then be transferred. The NFT will then be transferred into the buyer's address. The buyer now will, that is transfer of ownership. Like I told you, that is what this section of the contract does. Build transaction for purchase, transfer of ownership. So I believe with this little explanation of mine, you have been able to understand how this contract works. And you have seen how sCrypt interacts with ordinal. So I believe you are going to watch my next project. Thank you very much. God bless you.